In this video, you will see how to move a picture in Microsoft Word freely like this. It's very easy. First, click inside the document where you want to insert the picture. Then go to the Insert tab. Under the Pictures, select the picture from your computer and resize the picture. After resizing, you will have multiple options. You can click on the picture, go to the Home tab, and here you can click on Align Left, Center, or at the right. However, you cannot drag the picture anywhere inside the Word document. If you want to move the picture freely, you need to right click on the picture, go to the Wrap Text option, and select this option in front of text. After selecting this option, you can now click and hold the image using your mouse click and can move anywhere picture inside the document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to images in Microsoft Word. See you again in the next one.